Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to unlock developer options on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, you have to navigate to the settings from your home screen, then go to device and software. Now here I already have developer options unlocked, but I will show you how to do that. In order to do this, go to About section and then press OK on your TV option until you see you are a developer notification. After that, go back and you will be able to access the developer options where you can enable or disable ADB debugging and also allow different applications on your TV to install other applications from unknown sources. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.